Do you want to save money on electricity bills? Welcome to our grid-connected project site. Today, we are pleased here to introduce our solar energy system to you. We are in Hefei City now, and there is a 6 MW solar energy system. The system generates a range of 6 million kW per year and saving $97 on electricity bills. Our solar panels consist of many solar cells. With more than 25 years working life, the grid-connected solar power station can greatly save your electricity bill every year, low investment, high returns. Besides, it supports remote monitoring. With this function, it's more convenient for you to monitor your power station data by computer or mobile phone. No matter how much power you need, we can customize the solutions for you, such as homes, factories, supermarkets, hospitals, and all scenarios that require electricity.
Let's harness the power of renewable energy for a greener future.